questions.
Alright, Faith, you ready? Loud. A, good job. Say it. What is this? D, good job. What is it? C. D. D. Ready? What's this? E. Good job. What's that, Faith? Faith? F. Yeah. G. Faith? What's that? Faith?
She's watching Blue's Clues too.
Faith, hey, what's that? No, H. H, good try though. What's that? I, good job.
That's my girl.
Faith, what's that? J, good job. What's that, Faith? Faith, what's this? K. Sorry, I have to think about what.
Silly girl.
L. That's a hard one to say, isn't it? L. What's that? M. Good job. What's that? N. Yup. What's that? It's a circle, but it's a letter also. O. Good job. Sorry to think about it, man. Good job, P. Q. Oops, sorry. What is this? No, what is it? Q. Q. Okay, that's a hard one to say too. What's that? That's a R. There you go, R.
Funny.
Ready? What's that? S. You trying to say them all the same way, but not. What's this? Faith, what's that one? T. Good job. What are you doing? What's this one? Good job, you. What's that? V. That's my girl. What's that? What is that? No. W. W. Alright. What's that? X. What's that one? No, it's got a stem on the bottom. Let's try it again. Okay, what is it now, Faith? Look at it. Faith, what is it? No.
Y.
Good job.
Good job.
And what's that?
Hey, Daddy,
No, Z.
your writing is horrible.
It's a Z. Okay, last three. You ready? What's that? Circle. And what is this one? What is it? What is a square, not triangle. And what's that? No. What is it? Triangle. Good job. All done.
Say all done.
Faith, say all done. Faith, say all done.
Hi, Faith.
Say all done.
Say all done.
Faith, say all done. Say bye-bye.